Hello friends, once again I am here with a new geometry problem. From the given figure, what fraction of the rectangle is shaded? See, two circles, semicircles, bigger and smaller circle, they are touching each other, whose diameters lying on the opposite sides of the rectangle, and one common tangent is there. So what about the ratio of shaded portion with the area of rectangle? Just simple, draw a line parallel to BC which passes through E and it intersects AB at G. Then join EB to the small semicircles EF and ED are two tangents from external point E. Hence EF is equals to ED. To the bigger semicircle, EF and EC are two tangents from an external point E. Hence, EF is equals to EC. Now, from the figure, from the equation 1 and 2, ED is equals to EC. So, E is the midpoint of DC. Now, EG divides the rectangle into two equal parts and EB divides the rectangle into four equal parts. So now area of AED is equals to area of AEG is equals to area of GEB is equals to area of BEC. All that triangles having equal area. So ratio of shaded portion to the rectangle is the area of AECB is to area of ABCD, which is the 3 into area of one triangle AEG is to 4 into area of one triangle AEG, which is 3:4. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agrawal. Thank you very much.